Hi everyone, I'm Dave Bowman, and in this section we'll talk about what the car's coolant is, why it's necessary, and how it's made, and we'll learn a bit about its maintenance and environmental hazards.
Be cool with your vehicle. Knowing about your vehicle's cooling system.
You know, the car's coolant is also called antifreeze and is the colored fluid that's found inside your car's cooling system. Now, the most important purpose of the coolant is to cool the engine. To do that, it must prevent freeze-ups during the winter and boil-overs during summer's high heat. Now, the key component for this wonder is ethylene glycol. It's an odorless, colorless, syrupy, sweet-tasting liquid and is very toxic. This is why it should be handled and disposed of properly. Additionally, the coolant contains various additives to prevent corrosion and damage to the rubber parts. You know, coolant retains its basic properties indefinitely, but eventually the additives are gradually used up. But for practical use, most automotive manufacturers recommend a periodic complete replacement of engine coolant or flushing, which is very harmful to the environment. Now, the used antifreeze is considered a hazardous waste under federal guidelines. Radiator coolant should not be dumped into septic or drain systems or onto the ground, but it should be recycled. So the best for the environment and a cheaper solution for you is to recharge the additives, prolonging the life of your coolant. How? With VR12. The ultimate cooling system protection. For only a few dollars, you can protect every inch of your cooling system, lower engine temperatures, prevent rust, corrosion, oxidation, and electrolysis. Additionally, VR12 protects all metals, improves gas mileage, and is a 100% organic green product that protects the planet while you save money.
You can buy this powerful product online at vr12.com.
Be cool with your vehicle. Knowing about your vehicle's cooling system. Presented by VR12, the ultimate cooling system protection.